With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so we have the question. Find out the incorrect match with respect to different phases in menstrual cycle of human female, which is of 28 days. A. Ovulatory phase, which is the 14th day. Higher levels of estrogen and LH causes explosive growth of Graafian follicle, which rises to the surface of ovary and ruptures to release ovum. Then the luteal phase, which is the 15th to 28th day. So in that LH stimulates uterine glands to produce increased amount of progesterone. Then we have the third, which is menstrual phase, which is between first to fifth day. Shedding of endometrium due to reduced levels of both estrogen and progesterone. And the follicular phase, which is 6 to 13 day. FSH stimulates ovarian follicles to undergo enlargement. Granulosa cells undergo proliferation and secrete estrogen. So now let's talk about the ovulatory phase. Ovulatory phase. So in this phase, what happens that it happens in the 14th day, which is true, and there is the ovulation, which means release of egg from the ovum, and in that what happens that there is high levels of estrogen, which causes the high levels of FSH and LH. And these spikes, this LH, it relates to the ovulation on the 14th day, and the most mature follicle is releases the eggs. So that means option A, which is given to us, is true. Then we have the luteal phase. So in this luteal phase, what happens that the corpus luteum breaks down, and levels of estrogen, like the estrogen, progesterone and inhibin will decrease. So before that, there would be the luteinizing hormone, which is LH. It will stimulate the formation of progesterone by stimulating corpus luteum. They will stimulate the corpus luteum, which will produce the progesterone if there is fertilization to support pregnancy. Alright, then we have the third phase, which is the option third, which is given to us, the menstrual phase. So at this time there is the menstrual bleeding in females, which is from 1st to 5th day, and it is because of the shedding of endometrium. And this will reduce the levels of both estrogen and progesterone. So that means option A, B, C, all three are correct. Now we have the last one, follicular phase. So it generally happens from 6th to 13th day. And at that what will happen that the FSH will stimulate ovarian follicles to undergo enlargement. But these FSH, actually they stimulate the granulosa cells, which then forms the follicular cells, which forms the ovarian follicles, and in turn these proliferate and secrete estrogen. Alright, so that means that the option D, which is given to us, is incorrect, as the increase in FSH will stimulate the granulosa cells of the ovaries to recruit several follicles from each ovary, and this follicle will mature into Graafian follicles, and then there would be an ovulation. So the answer to the question would be option D, which is incorrect match with respect to the different phases. So the answer to the question is option D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.